वेलकम टू कैनपाक कुकिंग व्लॉग्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको लेके चलते हैं एक ऐसी जगह पे जिसकी पूरी टोरंटो स्कारब्रो में धूम मची हुई है, Panda Mart. Yes, it is Panda Mart. So we're going to show you what we got, what's inside. There was a huge lineup as you can see. So let's go inside and let's shop. Thank you.
This is the line. Here is the flower section. Flowers and vases. That's their problem. Is for mostly like your makeup tools, mirrors, brushes, and just if you can put the containers for your lipsticks and all that. All this section is there. They're not heavy. So guys, this is Panda store. So I'm in their pot and pan section. Just looking at this. It's not that great of the quality wise. Quality, it's okay. Here you have lots of stuff. So we are here at the Panda store and this is their pots and pans section. They have different type of pots and colors are really pretty. See that? This is all the pots and pans. Here they're all like cutting gadgets, you know, like manual grinders, manual blenders, and graters, all in this aisle. Here they have all spoons and spatulas, different colors of like peelers, spatulas, the can openers, and the small gadgets in different colors, the scoopers, kitchen knives, all is in this section. Love these you know, thalis. They do have thalis too. These are the thali sections, so you can serve them in the thali like this for your restaurant needs as well if you want that for your home. They have round thalis, they have this type of thalis, and all this is all your restaurant needs. ये डॉलर स्टोर पे भी इस तरह के glasses पड़े हुए हैं. They have a dollar store as well, and they have these over here as well. Yeah, these are glasses. It's just like another version of TEMU. More glasses, wine glasses, regular use glasses, all that is here. Nice stuff, you know, the serving trays. They're all beautiful here. I think these are plastic ones, but they just look pretty. They're all more serving trays, but they're plastic. These are like your coffee cups. These are mugs and stoneware. These are stoneware, I guess. Mugs here, different style. Look at these chromy ones, the chrome color mugs in all rainbow colors. All these are mugs. All this buffets, you know, but they're very light ones, you know. Buffets are here. See that? like this one. Price for this is they're like 76. I think this will be like $85. Like bottles, water bottles, containers, more containers, you know, for your spices and stuff. This is a container section, and these are for your pets needs, the brushes and all that. Hardware, the tie wraps and all, more hardwares and tools, you know, you want to take a look. For your house needs, these are more tools. You see that? All tools, bits, drills, all this is cutters, all these are here. This is aisle number 12. More cleaning supplies, more household stuff is on these sides, 35. Gardening, outdoors, all these sections are here. Dining plates and dishes and all that. I don't know what material is this. Look, this is pretty. This is pretty. I like this. You can make a set. So this big plate is dinner plate is $6. This small plate is $5. I like these ones. Ones are here. This is aisle number 15. For your condiments, for your chutneys and stuff. All these are small white. All the white selection is here. These are for your tea sets, small ones.
Why do you keep running off?
These are lights and stuff. Aisle number 31 is basket. Aisle number 40. Oh, I like these. Sorry. For your spices, for your regular use. Look at these. The jugs for juice dispensers. Even they can be used for your khatta, you know, for golgappes. There are more jugs here. These are stone cutting board, and for charcuterie as well. These are a little fancy, but all plastic. All your stationery, your school supply and all that, your office needs are here in aisle number 10. These are all lunch bags. These are mirrors, like decorative mirrors for your house needs, if you see those right there. This is in aisle number 17. This is a complete set. See your gift bags, ribbons. Oh, these are ribbons. naans and stuff, bread baskets. For your walls. This is pretty. कौन सा ले लूं एक वॉल? These are beddings and stuff. Comforters. This is aisle number mats and stuff for your bathrooms. So here comes your sports and gym. Your garden needs, all the stuff. These are like closets, out of stock. But those are really those are bed sets like 500, 400. Just the bed sets. You see that? These are tables. You can put it on patio. All the patio tables. Those are hammocks. These are the dining tables. These are all dining tables. Your plants and stuff. Consoles for your TV and stuff. Yeah, this is more like apartment size. In the corner close to the table. This is $80. $80 is expensive. This should be around $50. Candles. Here's, I think they have a sale. So all the stuff I have is about, oh, okay. Okay, I don't need this. It's about $50. Not bad. With all this stuff here.
I hope you truly enjoyed today's video, so do not forget to press the like button and share with others. Thank you so much for your time.